Standing among the most advanced digital cutters the world has to offer, the Elitron TAV-R2 is one of Omega's most cutting-edge machines, enhancing every print job that passes through it. But what about the TAV-R2 makes such a transformative impact on the quality of print marketing materials? First, the Elitron TAV-R2 showcases exceptional precision and speed in cutting a variety of materials, from paper to vinyl, enabling intricate designs to come to life with absolute accuracy. Its user-friendly interface and advanced software empower designers to effortlessly create complex shapes and patterns, optimizing the creative process and reducing time to market. Our Elitron's cutting accuracy translates to impeccable edge quality, enhancing the visual appeal of the print. This ensures a seamless final product and also reduces waste. Plus, the TAV-R2's automation is second to none. Its automated loading and unloading streamline production, allowing for uninterrupted workflows and increased output capacity. Finally, the integrated camera system ensures precise alignment of printed graphics with cutting patterns, eliminating errors and guaranteeing a perfect match between design and execution. Experience the edge that the Elitron TAV-R2 can bring to your print marketing materials, and contact Omega today.